Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily find hidden text messages on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes, write comments after watching the video. And let us get started. So, first of all, let's you and I open the phone settings, and then we're going to scroll down and we're going to find messages. When we go to Messages, scroll down to the very bottom. Here we need to find the Filter Unknown Senders feature. And it is important that we have this feature activated. Thanks to it, we will be able to filter unknown senders that we do not have, for example, in our phone contacts. After that, we can open the message with you. And if you open a message, you immediately see all the messages from all the contacts that you receive. And in order to find some unknown senders, then you need to click on the filter in the upper left corner. And then click on Unknown Senders. And as you can see, here you can see contacts that you don't have in your phone book, for example, but that send you a message. And then you can, for example, block them or delete them if you do not want these subscribers to send you a message. This is a very simple way to find hidden text messages on your iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon, friends.